What's up YouTube? This is part 2 to 400 wheel horsepower. So we're going to install the front mount intercooler. So we're going to put the car on jack stands and take the front bumper off. I've never done it before, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. Plug for the turn signal on the bumper. This guy was a pain to clip off, but yeah, bumper's finally off. Now let's take the crash bar out and start mounting the front mount intercooler. I got the stock intercooler out. It was pretty tough to pull the inlet and outlet off of it, but with a little muscle you could definitely do it. And now I gotta see what's next. Alright, so I took the radiator fan off on the passenger side, and now I'm gonna undo the hoses that go onto the housing of the turbo inlet. Charge pipe is off, guys. Almost there. Bro, look how big the PRL front mount is compared to the stock intercooler. It's about probably a third bigger. Slightly thicker as well. Alright, we're gonna start mounting the front PRL front mount intercooler. I'm gonna put the brackets on and then start routing the piping afterwards. We had a few problems putting on the crash bar. We did about a couple iterations of different ways to do it, but it didn't fit, so I'm guessing it's the wrong piece, or maybe for a different car, because I don't even see the license plate bracket on this thing. But we're not going to use it, and then we're just going to keep going. We had some issues with the bypass valve and connecting the hoses, but we got through it, and we ended up zip tying the horn because we didn't have a real good place to put it. And yeah, we're done. Now we're gonna get food. So we're pretty much set. We had a few issues with some leaks after testing it out, so we had to tighten down some of these clamps. You can see the throttle body coupler that goes down. We have another coupler here, another pipe to the intercooler, another coupler, and on this side we have one coupler here, bypass valve, and you can't see it from here, but or the outlet of the compressor here. I can't see that. So we gotta tighten down these guys pretty tight, and so far so good. Alright, so we're all done. Thanks for watching. I'd like to thank all you guys for supporting my channel, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys later.